Hello everyone, welcome to my first video of the newly found series on how to become a Scratch programmer. Now, after saying that, you may have hundreds of questions bottling up like, what is Scratch? What is a programmer? And why would I ever want to learn how to become a Scratch programmer? All of these questions are super important and we will address them now. So first, what is Scratch? In simple terms, Scratch is a block-based programming language for children. But what on earth does that mean? Well, a programming language is just a language that computers understand. And block-based just means that you don't type endless lines of code. Rather, just like building blocks, you connect blocks together. Now, what is a programmer? A programmer is just a person who programs, which just means somebody who uses either written lines or blocks to talk to a computer. They call these lines or blocks code. Now you have a general idea on what's to come. But why would you want to become a Scratch programmer? Well, the answer is simple. Think of any electric device, application, or website you've ever used, like YouTube, Uber, etc. Every single one requires programming, and as technology is evolving, so is the need for more programmers. And also, coding can boost your logic and critical thinking. It is considered the skill of the 21st century, and soon enough, robots are going to be the person we see greeting us at a restaurant or helping us at the checkout, and coding is the way to go. It is fun and challenging at times, building essential skills that kids will need for the future, like logical deduction or mathematical reasoning. It all sounds boring, but once you see it and apply it, you won't regret it. So, are you ready to dive into the world of programming with the first step, Scratch? If you are, then stay tuned as next time I'll be showing you how you can set up your account and I'll also be giving you a tour around Scratch. See you then, Scratch Warrior out.